Most ridiculous offer I've ever made. It's Labor Day. I'm working today. Not really. I'm working. No, seriously, I really am. Summer is over and it's time to kick this baby in gear. I've always been a contrarian of sorts, so I figured, well, while everybody is taking the day off, I'll get my butt to work. Today, I'm making the most ridiculous offer I've ever made in my life. It's not the prettiest, fanciest, or shiniest offer ever, but it's the best damn value I have ever seen. When do you think you wrote that?
Labor Day.
So fucking cool.
Dude, I write so much. I have absolutely no.
Well, I was trying to give you a little, I was trying to impress you a little bit. 2010, September of 2010, that whole stuck in Labor Day, that was pretty good.
I mean, it's just honestly like, yeah.
Well, I guess the reason I was bringing it up, what was going on with Jason Moffatt in 2010? People that know the copywriting world, you've been in this game for a long time. A lot of people have looked at your stuff, looked up to you, learned from you. And, a lot of the things that you share and you've gone through and things like that, they're just incredible stories. What was going on during the time of that? Because this shows a lot about the evolution of the entrepreneur.
Gotcha. I think, all the years are kind of fuzzy. And obviously, COVID times has made 2010 seem like 1883.
Two lives.
I think that was actually around the time I was living actually in Carlsbad, right by you on the Bataticos Lagoon, right above the South Pano jetty. I could see the left break right from my bed at that moment. And I was dating an amazing woman who I think she was turning right about 30 at that time. And she, started thinking about her life and wanting to maybe have a baby and be married. And I knew I wasn't quite ready, and I knew that she deserved for me to not string her along. And so I decided, and also my personal assistant who worked for me at the time, I had this brilliant thing too. I've been a live stream OG since like 2007 on like Ustream and Justin TV, way before Facebook ever even existed. I used to be a full-time live streamer, and on my website, I used to have my customer service guy live stream 8 hours a day. So if you ever had a question about a product or a service, like you didn't have to submit a ticket and wait 24 hours, and you didn't have to just talk to a little chat box in the morning in the corner. You had an actual person on the screen that you could connect with. I've never seen anybody else do it. It was so far ahead of its time. But anyways, Ryan was a great assistant for me. He decided to transition on and go work with his church, and which left me to like run the business. And we built my website, I think, on Joomla. I had no idea.
I remember Joomla. Yeah.
I had
Weber days.
I had no desire to try to learn Joomla. I didn't even want to do any work at all, other than write silly emails like that you just read.